Hi, I'm Joe. Thanks for checking out this video. Today I'm going to be making one of my favorite appetizers, air-fried sea scallops, using the Ninja Foodi Air Fryer. Stay tuned. Today I'm going to be making some wrapped sea scallops. I'm going to be using prosciutto today, which is a dry cured ham. It's an Italian dry cured ham. This is a Parma prosciutto. Before I get started with the prosciutto wrapping, I'm going to be seasoning the sea scallops. A little bit of onion powder and some chopped garlic. Just going to add some chopped garlic to it. A little crushed black pepper. And some olive oil. And we're just going to mix that up just to get everything coated. Okay, and I've also got some greens here, which I got from my Aero Garden. It's basically a couple different types of basils. I didn't have any parsley today, so I'm using the basil, which will give it a nice flavor anyway. Basil's got a sweetness to it. I'm going to add a little bit of hot pepper to it. A little bit of crushed red pepper. We don't want to add too much because it will get spicy on you. If you like it spicy, then go for it. All right, so just going to wash my hands. All right, so I'm going to let this sit and just kind of absorb some of that flavor while we get going with the prosciutto. Now this is all separated by a sheet here, so which makes it easier to peel, hopefully. Okay. I'm going to cut it right down the middle here. You can wrap the whole thing like a package. That's fine too. I just want to try to get a little bit of sear using the Ninja Foodi here. So making these strips like this. And if you've never had prosciutto, you've got to give it a try. It's fantastic. But you do want to look for the Prosciutto Di Parma. It's got a better flavor than some of the other ones that tend to be a little saltier. All right, so let's get these scallops going here. All right, so we got these big sea scallops here. I'm going to take one of these and just roll it with that prosciutto like that. And I'm just going to put a toothpick through it just in case it unwinds. It probably won't, but better safe than sorry. I like to keep everything looking nice anyway. So let's do another one here. So take the prosciutto, wrap that around, and it's okay if it sticks out. That'll crisp up a little bit. Now I've got the last one here. We just finish this one here. Put the last toothpick through it. And in the meantime, I was having the Ninja Foodi heat up 400 degrees for about 10 minutes just to get it nice and hot in there. Okay, let's open that up. And let's put these in there. And these toothpicks will help take them out too and serve them on a platter. Let's close the door. Start it up here. Okay, going to air fryer, 400 degrees. And I think 10 minutes. I'll let you know what the total time is when we're done. And we'll plate them up. I'm going to make a garlic butter sauce on the stovetop. I'm going to bring you over there while this is cooking to show you what that looks like. We're going to add some of this ghee, which is butter ghee. Okay, we're going to use maybe a tablespoon, maybe 2 tablespoons. Get some garlic in here. Add some green herbs. Some lemon. Hot pepper flakes. Salt. Okay, some lemon here. Just going to capture the seeds if there is any. Okay, this is half a lemon. give that a little stir. So now it's been about 6 minutes or so. So I'm going to give them a little turn to make sure that we're getting a nice sear on both sides here, or if we're getting any sear. Just want to make sure we get everything cooking evenly. And it smells fantastic in here too. It smells great. So again, I'm just giving these a little bit of a flip. With the Ninja Foodi, it tends to cook better from the bottom, so you get more crispiness on the bottom. Okay. Let's put that on. Okay. The garlic butter sauce is sitting on the stovetop right now, just kind of doing its thing on low heat. 5 more minutes here, and then I'm going to plate it up, give it a taste, and let you know how I did. I think they're done here. We don't want to overcook them because they kind of lose their flavor. Take a look. The prosciutto came out a little bit crispy, which is good. That's what you want, just enough to crisp up the edges. All right, and I'm just going to put them on this dish here, like that. And as you can see, these don't take very long to cook, and they will be delicious, trust me. Let's add that, and it got a little bit of a sear, not as much as I would have hoped on all of them, but take what you can get. Got some more of the leftover basil there. We're going to give it a little bit of a sprinkle just to make it look nice, It's like, hey, look at all the work we did. Okay, that looks good. All right, so before we go into tasting it, got to add a little bit of this garlic oil. I've added a little bit of leftover pesto that I had in the fridge, so we'll give it a little extra flavor anyway. So let's just take some of that and give it a nice little drizzle over the top. And I can smell the buttery lemon flavor that we added to this oil. So like that. Throw some of this garlic on top. Beautiful, huh? Doesn't that look nice? Here's your air fried sea scallops wrapped in prosciutto. They look fantastic. They smell great. The prosciutto, I can smell the prosciutto and the scallop, the butter, everything. Oh, God. So, here you go. Get the saltiness from the prosciutto on the outside. Get the garlic on the inside, the lemon. You get all these flavors come out. The pesto, you can really taste the pesto in that oil. So, this is fantastic. Give these a shot. If you like them, let me know in the comments section below. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me some likes, some shares, some comments. I'd appreciate it. I appreciate all the subscriber comments I get and the encouragement I get from you guys. So thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.